Know some young niggas like to sway. Know some young niggas like to swing. Big bang, take a little bang. Every day spilling up drink. She want the whole crew, shorty break. When the money talks, what is there to say? Blow away, watch it blow away. When I die, can't take it to the grave.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's the Tastemaker and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome to the gang. Hopefully you stick around and go ahead and click that subscribe button for your girl because I am always reviewing amazing wigs. That's all I do is play in hair, do my makeup, and dress really cute. Today I am back with another wig review. Today's video is sponsored by LocalBeauty.com and I will be reviewing the Yara wig, the Yara long wig, of course. This is the lob. Now the reason why I picked this wig out is because I don't know if you guys have noticed it lately, but the blunt cut lob has been really in full effect at the moment. There's a lot of very fashion forward people that I see that have been rocking this. Time the Infamous actually wore her hair in a similar style. I've also seen the Claremont twins. They had a lob recently. So when I was contacted to do a review and I looked on their website, I saw this wig and I was like, that's the one. Now I didn't want to get black just because I've done black middle parts in the past. I've really been like loving blue hair lately. So today I have this wig and it is blue and it has like light blue streaks in it. So if you're someone who is also a hair fanatic, you're definitely gonna want to hit that subscribe button because I stay slaying a wig. Like, just look at my channel, it's lit. I have so many amazing affordable wigs. I also review human hair, so if you're not into the synthetic wigs, don't worry because I also review human hair for you guys as well. And if you're not already, make sure that you are following me on Snapchat so you can see what I'm up to on a day-to-day basis, especially for those of you guys who like vlogs. My Snapchat is definitely like my daily vlog. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I post dope pictures like this one and this one. Girl, I stay slaying on Instagram, so you're definitely going to want to follow me on Instagram as well. But now that we have that all out of the way, let's get into this review. So I received this hair from LocalBeauty.com and they had this wig. I've seen this wig a lot actually and I wanted to try it for myself. Plus, like, long lobs is what they call them. They call them lobs. It's like a long bob. Are really in right now. I've been seeing a lot of girls wearing this, so it definitely is on trend. Plus it takes all of the styling part out of it because trying to cut some hair, girl, I am not well versed in cutting hair, so this makes it very easy for me. This is the Bobbi Boss Lacefront Premium synthetic wig in the style Yara long. This wig is 22 inches. Here is the stock card here, but let's take her out of the packaging. So the color that I got is TT1B INDBL, so I'm thinking it means that it's 1B and it's indigo blue. So there it is. It has streaks in it and I thought that was cute. I've seen girls wear this, but I've seen them wear like the regular black one. So I wanted to give this one a try. It has a little bit of color in it. I've really been into blue hair lately, so I don't know. So I'm gonna take this out of here. And she's just straight. She has like some blue and then light blue streaks in her. So let's go ahead and take... Okay, this one has those little clear clips. You guys probably can't see that because it's white. It's washing it out. But there's these little two clear clips there. So I like that because it definitely keeps the wig secure. Bam. So the lace is soft lace, so that's great. Let me go ahead and cut the tag off. I love the color on this wig. The thing is though, I've actually seen this wig, but I've seen the shorter one in this color at the beauty supply. So when I seen this, I was like, ooh. So the hair is soft. I am going to flat iron the hair on camera with you guys. This is the blunt cut you guys see. So the inside of the wig is constructed like most of the wigs. It has two combs right here that I am going to be cutting out. It has a comb in the back and it has adjustable straps for extra security. So what I'm going to do is my usual. I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off of here, cut the combs out, and then I'll be back to style it on camera with you guys. I need you.
Take your phone, or you should hide it in your pockets until you get home. Don't wanna see no tweets about the night we shared. Don't wanna hear reasons for it, baby, I don't care. You and I both know I'm not just anybody, and I regret bringing your ass to all those after parties. You enjoy yourself too much and you ain't barely started. I just can't invest in shit.
Okay guys, so I've done my baby hair and stuff. I had to like get off the camera and do it because it was just taking way too long to try to do it on camera because I can't see that good. So I went ahead and did it off camera, but you guys kind of get the gist. If you guys don't know how to do baby hairs on a wig by now, you can definitely check out some of my other videos. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and do a flat iron test on this wig on camera with you guys. So right now I'm just combing it out, making sure it's nice and straight, and I'm preheating my flat iron. The flat iron that I am using is the Remington flat iron. This is probably about 3-inch flat iron. I'm not exactly sure, and I currently have it on 420. So I am going to flat iron this. So I'm going to start from here, go ahead and grab my flat iron and get to flat ironing.
I see right through it. I let you slide now, cause I know you're not used to it. If this is the way it is, don't even put me through it. I'm quick to cut it off if you don't believe I'll do it. You say take pictures, just to show them to your bitches, so you can make them jealous. Now I know where you're headed. Man, you stay taking those pictures, just to show them to your bitches, so you can make them jealous.
Okay guys, so that was very quick and easy. So I went ahead and flat ironed out the wig. This is what it's looking like. So a lot of times you guys are asking me, can you flat iron the hair? Yes, you can flat iron synthetic wigs. They don't really suggest you to go over 400 degrees. And I currently have this on 420. So I think it also just depends on the type of flat iron that you're using. I use ceramic flat irons. But I'm sure if you was to use like a Babeless titanium plate flat iron, that one, it gets like extremely hot. So those kind of flat irons, I probably wouldn't suggest to use on these kinds of wigs. I've never tried to use it, but I would just assume like, I mean, it gets human hair silky freaking straight. So, I mean, if it does that, then I don't know if it's going to be that safe for your synthetic wigs. So I would say if you are going to use a flat iron, try to opt for a ceramic plate flat iron. So I really like how flat it is. I'm not getting too many flyaways with this wig. There's very minimal flyaways. One thing that I like about this wig is that it's very sleek, it's very chic, it's very stylish in my opinion. It definitely gives me very much so high fashion vibes. So all in all, you guys, I have worn this wig for a couple of hours now. I would say at least about 6 hours or so that I have had this unit on. And I have to say, so far I like it. For a full disclaimer, there is tangling in this wig, but I expect that obviously because it's a synthetic wig, but it's nothing like crazy. Like, it's nothing like that other wig that I had reviewed, that blonde hair. It's not as bad as that. It's just a typical tangling in the wig. So this unit is 22 inches. And if you're into long hair, then you're definitely going to like this wig because it's in between long and like medium length. So it's not too long, but it's also not too short. And that's one thing that I like about it. There isn't much shedding in the hair. It usually just tangles at the very ends of the hair, but it's expected. It's a synthetic wig. So if you are interested in this wig, you can pick it up on locobeauty.com. I will leave a link down below. This unit retails for $45, which I think is very reasonable. And the shipping takes between 5 to 8 business days. They ship via USPS and they also ship UPS. I believe that they do ship internationally. So if you are one of my subscribers that are out of the US, you guys don't have to worry about being left out. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye! my shit failed, nigga. Lord, it's so windy out here, you guys. I'm trying to record this video. You guys are gonna see this in the outtakes, yeah?